Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to send voice messages in Imo in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Imo on your device. Now open the chat of the person that you want to send the message to. Now tap and hold on the mic icon at the bottom right. Then release it once you're done recording. Now the voice message is sent. And that is how to send voice message on Imo. If you want to know how to make a call on Imo, check our video on that topic in our channel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.